What's happening, people? A little adventure for you. Your boy Trill, Hyyer Co. I'm gonna get a quick flow in before a little break come in. Just gonna be a quick sun salutation. I'm gonna go at the speed that I usually go to, but you know the modifications from previous videos, you can do so. Quick warm up. It's gonna be a quick warm up, something that you can do at night, in the morning, in the evening, just to get right. All right. Start at the top of the mat, ankles and toes together. Make sure the legs are tall, arms to the side, fingers wide. For mountain pose, chin at the horizon. Deep breath. Inhale, lift the arms. Exhale, bend to the right as much as possible. Drop the arm down. Inhale up with the arm, spine tall. Exhale, left. Inhale up. Exhale, hands to heart center, giving a back bend, open the chest. Inhale up with the arms. Exhale, forward fold, pull in. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, down. Bend the knees, hands to the mat, hop back. Chaturanga it down, swim up. Lower the gaze, roll onto the toes, make the fingers wide. Making yourself a human triangle. Right hand, reach for the left ankle. Turn to the left, keep the leg straight. Deep breaths. Bring the right hand back. We're gonna do 3 breaths on each. Left hand, reach for the right ankle. Turn to the right, keeping the leg straight. Bring the left hand back. Raise the gaze, bend the knees, hop back. Come to a standing position. Inhale up. Exhale, forward fold, pull in. Inhale halfway. Exhale down. Bend the knees, hands to the mat, back. Chaturanga down, swim up. Lower the gaze, roll into the palm. That's part of the life. Push up, step 3. Push up to warrior 1. Inhale, make the leg straight. Fold forward. Drop the leg of the head down. Gently bring the knee to a bend. Come on to the ball on the left. Open the chest to the right. Stack the shoulders. Right hand to the mat. Step back to the right. Chaturanga down, swim up. Lower the gaze, roll onto the toes. Lift the left. Exhale, step 3. Push to warrior 1. Inhale, make the left straight. Exhale, slow, fold forward. Drop the head down, deep breaths. Bring the knee to a bend. Come onto the ball to the right. Open the chest to the left, stack the shoulders. Left hand to the mat, step back to the left. Chaturanga down, swim up. Lower the gaze, roll into the toes. Raise the gaze, bend the knees, hop back. Come to the top.